I'm Davis, one of the engineers on the Milk and Cow project. If your cow fails to have liquid coming out of the two nipples, then it may be the pump needs to be replaced. These will last months or years depending on how much usage they get, and they're available everywhere. The screen may become clogged. If you clean the screen, it should pump again. If it doesn't, then it could be the valve. This valve needs to float and sink with the level of water. So that needs to be checked. Make sure that this is moving as you fill it and empty the bottle, empty the water out of here. You can also use a voltmeter to find out if there's voltage coming from the switch to the pump. If you find the pump is bad, merely disconnect the two wires and reconnect to the pump as is shown, and you'll be back working again. Now, eventually, the children, the people, your customers, will damage the nipple. It should last many months. But if this hole gets too big, water will continue to flow out and keep the pump running. So you will have to get these nipples and pull the bottle out from its position in here, lift it up very carefully, take the old nipple off, they're very tight, and they will last a very long time. So, you'll take it off by pulling it like that, and then put the new one on. It may take two people to do this, because they are very tight. And that's it. Then slide it back into here and pull it down. It'll be good for another year, we expect. Maybe 3 years. Thank you.